audio. Audio. Audio.
Hey Hawaii, I'm tired.
That's a terrible intro.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Please be careful, it's not our car. That's our hotel. So this is our room. We have the view of the ocean harbor and the pool. So if you look to your left, there's an infinity pool. It also has a little like terrace or patio. Do you see the island there?
Yeah, cool.
Nice. So this is our bathroom. It has a tub and a shower. Oh, you're gonna love this, Kevin. Oh. It's a bidet.
Ew, so fancy.
And it has a toilet seat warmer.
Does it sing to you?
No. And then this one I saw on like a YouTube thingy, but look, you can like hang your like wet bathing suits and stuff here.
So we flew 4,000 miles, and where do we go first? Target.
Alright, so we are here at breakfast at
Yogurt Story review time.
It was good. It was our first loco moco. Not really sure how it's supposed to taste, but it was better than I expected. The ube pancake was like not that sweet, which was nice.
Feels very Asian palate.
I would recommend it. I think if you need breakfast, just a nice place to just go and it's like easy.
Now we're gonna try to walk off our breakfast and explore the Waikiki area. Alright, so we're at Ala Moana and we tried again?
Musubi Cafe.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
That was good. How was it?
Better than 7-Eleven.
And then we went to
Singmate, that was really good.
Laksa, it was really good.
Yeah, I would definitely go back again.
And then we tried mango for a coconut mango smoothie.
Yeah.
Really good too.
I'm definitely coming back for that.
Yeah, we'll come back and get that. I feel like a lot of the desserts in Hawaii, at least the ones that we've tried, they're not overly sweet, which I'm very impressed with.
So that's the line. I guess we'll see how long it takes to get us eat.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry. So that's chicken katsu and a shrimp tempura. And that is the Niku Tama udon. I got the kake udon. And then I have shrimp tempura, potato croquette, inari, and sweet potato tempura. So good. It's really good. The broth is like, you could taste the tashi, but sometimes if the tashi flavor is too strong, it turns out bitter, but it's not.
Reactions.
Oh, so good.
Oh yeah, so friggin' good.
Highly recommend, and we'll come back one more time before we leave.
Oh yeah. Why are there chickens?
Kevin!
What?
I'm filming. Wow, that's so good. I thought it was gonna be a little bit denser, but so soft and it's light. Look. Chocolate's really good.
Best one?
I like it the best. Tastes like hot chocolate. Time for Hawaiian breakfast. Ta-da! That looks very much like what I eat at home. It reminds me of my college days. I really like it. Alright, we are at Waimea Valley. We're gonna go walk up to the falls and then check out the botanical gardens here.
say what this place smells like?
No. Inappropriate.
Oh, great. Made it.
You're here.
Yay.
It's so nice. I wish we can go in, but we're gonna go to the beach.
I'd rather not drown.
You're not gonna drown. You're a life jacket.
Oh. I'd rather not flail around?
Okay, we'll go to the beach.
Okay, beach it is.
Alright, so we just had Giovanni's shrimp truck, the garlic shrimp, or shrimp scampi. I would say it was good, but considering how long we waited.
Yeah, we waited about, between ordering and actually receiving, it took about an hour.
I don't know if it was worth the wait.
Yeah, I mean, it's good.
It was good. If the line was shorter, I think I would have enjoyed it more. The experience was good. We met some new friends.
David and Julie, if you're watching, nice meeting you.
Hello. Now we're heading over to Haleiwa Bowls to get some acai and smoothies.
Yep.
But we're gonna walk there, and it's a 15-minute walk, so we'll see when we get there. Picking up my coconuts.
Banana on it. Could I get all the berries?
Good. The alternative is going to Haleiwa. This is actually sweet. We got pina colada, mango, and lychee. Condensed milk and mochi. You know what? It might be the condensed milk. That's why it's sweet. Oh, we're at Yuchon. Naengmyeon and galbi. So hungry. Perfect day for a naengmyeon. Let me see. Smells good. Alright, it's day 3, so we're gonna start off with some coffee because we're both a little hangry and not caffeinated. So we just tried Kona coffee purveyors. The flat white was really good. The 100% Kona beans. Quality of the beans were definitely like evident. We also got a croissant with a is it fancier or fancier? Then we got the pistachio, like strawberry pistachio dessert. I would say that was my favorite of the 3. And I also got tea.
Lychee black tea with
Hawaiian honey. So it was good. I think overall, so far, I think their coffee is the best.
I would agree.
So now we're at the Green World Coffee Farm. We're gonna just look at the coffee. What are those? Trees?
Yeah. I think they put pineapple scent into the air.
I like it.
The Dole Whip is in sight.
That's what we're here for.